I'm Bonnie. Nice to meet you again. Last time we have introduced about the stainless steel oil slurry pyrolysis machine, and this time welcome to see our stainless steel oil slurry pyrolysis machine delivery. Our topic is a stainless steel oil slurry pyrolysis machine. Before we have introduced about the manufacturers and the delivery manufacturers and also the structure of oil slurry pyrolysis machine. This time our live show is for the delivery. Later I will introduce you to see the delivery. Today is 6 reactors delivered together. And next time, we will waiting in our live showroom, and we will see the installation in customer factory, and also for the running machine. Please follow Bonnie to see oil slurry pyrolysis machine. Hello, welcome our new client. Now our live show is oil slurry pyrolysis machine. Today we are delivering 6 sets oil slurry pyrolysis machine, and the reactors are stainless steel reactor. The structure of this machine is different with the normal pyrolysis machine. Now we can follow me to see the delivery here. And this morning we already started loading.
It's open container, and all other accessories could be put in the containers. If you need to learn more information about delivery, you can leave your message or contact number to us, and our professional sales manager will contact with you for more details. In our factory, we are manufacture pyrolysis machine and waste oil delivery distillation machine. The raw material of pyrolysis machine could be waste tire, plastic, and oil sludge, coal tar waste. Also, we could use waste oil, and even crude oil could be used. Also, bitumen pyrolysis is okay. This one is the second reactor. This hole is the one we see last time is for reactor cooling. Now you can see clearly. This hole is used for cold air go inside furnace before open the door. And if you have any questions, you can leave a message here and I can reply you. Or leave your contact information and our sales manager will contact you for more information. Welcome our new customers. Please follow me. So, second reactor, third one, and 4, 5, 6. Today, totally 6 reactors will deliver at the same time. Actually, already have 2 stats is already arrived to customer factory. Welcome the new customer.这个断开了。
网的问题。
安网。
一会儿网络是不稳定，给他点时间。
In our live showroom, customers, if you have any question about oil slot pyrolysis machine, or if you have oil slot materials, you can leave a message to me and I will introduce to you how to use the material to make money. And if you are interested in other pyrolysis machine like tire, plastic, or continuous pyrolysis machine, also can leave a message to me and I will introduce to you. In our workshop, now we have more than 20 sets. That type of machine is undergoing, and 3 sets continuous machine is manufacturing inside. Firstly, we came to see this delivery of stainless steel oil slot pyrolysis machine. After this, we will go inside workshop to see continuous machine manufacturing and batch type machine manufacturing. Welcome new client.
Yeah.
为什么都是中国的，都是 CN？
都是咱们公司的。
有外边的人吗？
外面的人只要不是 CN 都是外联的。
一会儿就来了，现在流量正。
Welcome new client.
我咋还没听到这个？
听到我刚听到了这个天了。
我的意思是说，我咋还没听到？我没听到。
This reactor is made of stainless steel. Or new client, not a new client comes inside. It's I think it's from Mr. Alan from Malaysia. Now we are going is a stainless steel oil slot pyrolysis machine lab show. Welcome your attention. See, this reactor is made of stainless steel because oil sludge is different for different types. But in this customer factory, the stainless their oil sludge have some acid, and the oil sludge is very sticky. So for the stainless steel, it's better for the oil sticky to the steel, and also it prevent acid corrosion. Welcome new client, or some client from France. Welcome customer from France. Now we are going is a stainless steel oil slot pyrolysis machine. In our company, we are professionally for all types of pyrolysis machine and the oil distillation machine. And now this one we are seeing is a stainless steel oil slot pyrolysis machine. Because oil sludge is liquid and is very sticky, so this customer made it stainless steel to make it for better process. Last time we have introduced the structure of the machine, and also have showed the inside structure and been a lot of communication with some very professional customers. This time is for delivery. Next time, maybe after 1 month, we can go to a customer factory and to make live show on site. So if you have any interest about oil sludge pyrolysis machine, please make attention to us and follow Bonnie to see oil sludge pyrolysis machine running. Welcome our new clients. This one is stainless steel reactor. Inside, we have another reactor made of boiler plate. It's also for oil sludge. That is for Canada. And the other two is very common, like hello. Today I have customer visits. They are for continuous pyrolysis machine. And now China visa is open to all over the world. If you have any interest to pyrolysis machine, welcome your visit. In April, only this month, we already have more than 15 customer visits only for pyrolysis machine. But the materials now is also various. Mostly tires, plastic, oil sludge, but the reactor is also different. We have batch reactors and the continuous. Also have oil with the oil distillation machine. For the materials of the reactor, we could make it for boiler plate Q245R, Q345R, and all types of stainless steel. Welcome new customers from Alibaba. If you have any questions, or someone from Egypt, welcome. Welcome new clients. If you have any questions, you can leave a message here and we could discuss in the lecture room. Or you could leave your contact information. Our professional sales manager will talk to you for more details. Hello, welcome new customers. Now we are going on is the delivery of oil sludge pyrolysis machine. Today we deliver 6 sets stainless steel oil sludge pyrolysis machine. Totally one site have 8 sets pyrolysis machine. Now 2 sets is already installed in the factory. These six reactors will arrive to customer factory tomorrow. Next month, in May, the machine will finish installation. At that time, please follow Bonnie. We will go on site to see the running machine. Focus on and make attention to us. And we will go to see running machine. If you have any interest about the pyrolysis machine for any kind of materials, this way, please. Now we get to the third one. The third one, they have 4th and 5th, 6th. If you have any question about tire pyrolysis or plastic pyrolysis, even continuous pyrolysis machine can follow me. Later, we will introduce all types of pyrolysis machine, especially continuous machine. Today, all of our friends in the lab showroom is very lucky because today our continuous pyrolysis machine, three sets is under manufacturing. You can see the reactor, inside the reactor, and you can see the furnace structure, everything you can see. If you place order, you will see what we did for others, that will be what we will do for your orders. Welcome new customers. Welcome Mr. Patel from India.
我声音小怎么办？是这个线有问题吗？
我把他俩的先换。
Hello, welcome new friends. Mr. Adu, welcome Mr. Adu. Now the live show you see is a stainless steel pyrolysis reactor delivery. Just now from the outer gate until here we have seen already 5 sets reactor delivery. Today totally have 6 sets. Later we will see totally 6 sets reacted together. And today this machine is mainly for oil slurry pyrolysis machine because the oil slurry is very sticky. So this machine is different from normal pyrolysis machine. And you can see this one. From the back side or from the front side is different from the common pyrolysis machine because this one is especially for oil sludge. If anyone is familiar with oil sludge, you will know oil sludge is very sticky and some sludge including impurities and some acid. So stainless steel is very necessary. Welcome new client. Okay, now please follow me to go inside our workshop. In the workshop, you will see a continuous pyrolysis machine and the batch type of pyrolysis machine, the normal boiler steel.
这边是后面，反过来。
帮我紧一下。好，可以。Hello, welcome new friends. I'm Bonnie. I'm specially introduced for oil slurry pyrolysis machine. Last time we have seen the manufacture and the inside structure of this stainless steel oil slurry pyrolysis machine. And this time, I introduce you to see the delivery. And next time, maybe we will go to running site to see. We will follow this reactor from the beginning, manufacture, into the production. Please make attention to us. In the future, you will get more information and you will see what you want to see. Or if you have any questions or you want to see any details, you can leave a message to me. I will show you outside. Now we have entered to our production factory. You can have a look. This workshop is especially for reactor manufacturing. See this one. This one is the continuous machine reactor. You know, for for continuous machine, if we want the machine continuously running, the length of the reactor is very important. So for continuous machine, one reactor length is about 26 meters. This is part of it. And from that side, we'll see the whole reactors. Follow me this way. This area, this area is for the ready reactors store. Because in our factory, we have different teams to do different works. For this reactor, we have 3 teams to do reactor welding like this. For this reactor welding, we have 3 automatic welding. This one, and this one. 3 automatic welding machine. So we have 3 teams to make reactor welding. Better to say, if your order is 3 steps order put together, or 3 teams who start manufacturing at the same time. So delivery of 3 steps and 1 step is the same. Another 3 teams, especially making the installation, is in the front side. Later I will show you. And this area is the team especially for assembling, because the reactor, inside the reactor and outside reactor have assembled together to make the whole reactor. But here now, this inside reactor and outside reactor should be balanced, should make the balance, because when machine is running, balance is very important. Otherwise, the reactor will like jam. That is very dangerous. So this team, our workers, especially make assembly, they know how to make adjustment, how to make the reactor balance. So in our factory, we have different teams to do different works. They only do one thing for a long time. That is more professional and make less fault. Let's see this roller. This is the bearing. Welcome new clients from Korea. New clients from Korea. And now we are showing is the normal with the tire and with the plastic pyrolysis machine. Now you are seeing is the reactor. This is the inside reactor. This is the outside insulation cover. Now here we are seeing is the assembling site. In this site, assembling work is going on. But this one is finished. You can see this is our reactor bearing. If you have pyrolysis machine before, in the old design reactor, here this bearing is very easy damaged. But for our new machine, the new design machine, made a lot of improvements. I have received many inquiries that they have the old pyrolysis machine, and they complain a lot that the bearing, change the bearing, is a very big cost and delayed a lot of works. Now you can see our bearings. Firstly, this bearing is casting steel, made of casting steel, and the bearing, this is the inside bearing, is fastened by the screw. No any welding and no any touch with the steel. So this part is very strong, you can see. Also for the adjustment, it's very flexible. You can make the reactor higher or lower by fastening this screw. Besides, you can see this part is very important. In our reactor, inside the reactor, temperature is very high, like 400 to 500 degrees. So at this time, if the reactor touches to this bearing, touch bearing directly, the bearing temperature also very high. So after long time running, this bearing is very easy broken. And also for this reactor, this part is also very easy out of shape because inside the reactor have very heavy raw materials. It's like 10 tons, 12 tons, and even 15 tons. So very heavy materials put inside the reactor. This bearing support the reactors. So this part is very hot and with very heavy loading. After a long time, this part is very easy out of shape, and the bearing will working under high temperature, also very easy damage. Hammond, Mr. Hammond, thank you for your attention. Welcome. Hammond, this is the new reactors. The new reactors. It will be, your reactor will be same as this one. This is part of the details. I think I can introduce to you every details of the new design reactors. Please attention me. This is this one compare with the old reactor. You can see firstly our reactor, this bearing is not attached directly to the big reactor. In our reactor, we have this part is like a small circle, small feeding door. The bearings support to the small feeding door. So on this part, the temperature is already low. Temperature of this part is already low. So this bearing is support this part. The bearing temperature is already reduced. And then compared with the old one, support here, that one is very easy damage. But this one, temperature here is very low. And in order to make a better balance and make a better of the bearings quantity, so we make another casting. It's a casting plant. This one is made by the casting oven. I think if you are familiar with the casting, you will know that is the mold, the steel, liquid steel put inside the mold, and then comes to one this round plant as whole, no any welding. So this one is very strong, and it's 100% wrong. So when the machine running in the front side and back side, we both have this support ring. So the reactor balance will be very good. Also, diameter of this feeding door and oil outlet is the same. So the balance of the reactor is very good. You can see from this support ring to the reactor, there's a gap. This gap is about 5 cm. It is 5 cm. The hot temperature is from reactor to this the support ring and to this bearing. From here it's already spread. So this part the temperature is very low. You know, outside the machine, the reactors instant delivery. Then customer visits our running machine site. The engineer especially touched this part and also touched this part. He told me, he said the temperature of this part is lower than this part. So for his new machine, also designed like this. Then you can see the structure of that machine is very difficult. It's different. Because for their oil sludge, they don't need a big hole. But they still choose this structure, this part structure. Because they have very rich experience for pyrolysis machine. They already running the machine for 20 years. So this design is very good. So their new machine is made of this type of design. And also, according to their materials, we made a special reactor for them. Mr. Helmy, now let me show you backside of the reactor. And here, let's see here, the base of the reactor. 这里 the bearing base and reactor base. Also in the back side, the gearbox, all in one base. It's made of H-shaped steel. This is H-shaped steel. The whole reactor is on one platform. So the whole reactor balance is very good. Now follow me to the back side. Look, this is the back side. Back side, this oil outlet door. The diameter is the same as the front feeding door. So the balance of reactor is very good. And also you can, this gear, the big gear, connect with reactors by flange and screw. So if you want to repair this gear, or after some many years, if you want to repair or want to make a replace, it's very easy. Just to remove the screw is okay. But usually this one is no need for replace, because the temperature of this is very low, just the common normal temperature, because it's far away from the reactor itself. This part is especially a small door, a small outlet. It's a part of the reactor. And this support ring also made the bearings temperature low. But this one, you can see, for this bearing, they have a gap. Because in the back side, here condensers is stable, reactor is rotated. Also, when the machine is running under high temperature, the reactor will become longer. And this side, we cannot let the reactor go backside. So we made this gap to stop the reactor backside. It can go forward, not backward. And you can see this bearing. This bearing is very big. It's much bigger than the old one. Also, this part is very flexible. When you want to, after some time it's running, the reactor maybe need to make the balance again. Just move this screw is okay. The screw is especially used to make the reactor balance. Karan, Mr. Karan, you are asking how many liters of oil obtained from 1 ton of waste. That depends on your waste. What waste do you have? Our machine, I'm speaking English. You are asking for how many liters you can get from waste. But you can see what is your waste, because the oil yield is different from different waste. Our machine could process waste tire, waste plastic, oil sludge, and also coal tar waste oil, different type of waste. Or you can leave your contact number. Our professional sales manager will contact for more information. Mr. Helme, is there any other things you want to see? Here, see this is the gearbox. This gearbox can support structure. This support structure is also connected directly with the reactor base. So from the feeding door to this gearbox, all connect in one frame. In some machine, this gearbox and the machine, they are different platform. So if If the foundation of this gearbox is different with the reactor foundation, the machine balance will be not good. Now in our machine, everything is in one platform, one frame, 8 tape.我想看一下整体工作章。Yeah. Yes, you can see for the whole reactor, it's all on the same front. This hole is for cooling, the reactor cooling. It's after one batch finish. After one batch finish, and this part is connected with that side with or exhaust fan. The cold air go inside from this side and comes out from that side. This could make the reactor cooling much faster. It can make the time 50% shorter. For example, if the normal cooling time is 8 hours, with this one, the cooling time will be 4 or 5 hours. Mr. Karen, I'm asking for how much temperature is required for pyrolysis process. Okay, the temperatures for plastic and tire and oil sludge is different. We will start from the low temperature. But with the plastic, the temperature required is lower. It's about 230. But the temperature we are talking about is oil gas temperature. There will be a buffer tank connected with this oil outlet. The buffer tank will be connected here. So the temperature we are talking about, the temperature for plastic, the temperature about 230 is okay. For tires, about 260 and 280. For oil sludge, the temperature will be much higher. It's about 320 or 330. Top-notch background noise. And the noise is under 80. Okay, this way, please. Mr. Helmy, are you still there? Helmy, now I will introduce you to see the inside reactor manufacturing. This one is outside, the insulation cover. My Egypt friends, here is the insulation cover manufacturer. This is the insulation cover. The insulation cover is made of 3 layers. One outside layer is the steel. Inside the steel is 1 layer of fibers. Outside the fibers will be fire cement. Now you see it's fire cement. Total thickness of this insulation cover will be 9 cm. It's 9 cm. Like a new plant. Now you are seeing is the pyrolysis machine manufacture site. Welcome your attention. This is the bottom part. The insulation cover is made of 2 parts. That is the upper part. This one and this one, 2 parts will make one whole insulation cover. In the middle, we need to put the inside reactor shell. Now the assembly work is going on. This is our third team. The third team is specially assembling reactor together. They are now preparing to put the inside shell and make the cover, and later make a balance of the reactor. After that, your machine could be allowed to be delivered. To this one. 远一点. This is the capsule of the pyrolysis reactor. For our reactors, we are designing the cap, the reactor cap. It's the same as the pressure vessel. You can see the shape is round. It's round shape. So this one can bear pressure. Later we will see the whole reactor. Do we require a chimney for which the gas outlet? Yes, you need to prepare chimney. But before chimney, we have the dusting device. You should put this dusting device before ignition. Okay, now let's see the reactor. This is the welding of the reactor. Just now we have seen the shell, the capsule of the reactor. Now this is the capsule and the reactor body joined together. See, in the old design, this part, the shell is flat. It's a flat, connect with the body directly. But that design is very dangerous because the connection, the cap, the sealing cap is inside of the reactor. The welding couldn't use automatic welding. So for this one, this connection, the welding of this part will be exactly same as the body itself. So the cap, the reactor cap and the body, they welded together is like just one part, just one part. The welding quality will be same as the reactor body itself. This type of reactor shell can bear high temperature. That is when your machine is running, if inside have any pressure, this reactor is strong enough to make it have enough time to release the pressure, so that to avoid accident happen. Reactors will be welded with these different parts. These are the condensers. Inside the condensers, for example, for 12-ton and the 10-ton reactor, the condensers inside have many pipes. One condenser is 37 pipes, 37 small pipes inside. And oil goes through the pipes, and between the pipes will be cooling water. So each pipe all touch to the cold reactor. So the cooling area will be very big. The cooling effect will be very good. How initial heat is provided is using any solid fuel or gas. For initial heating is about 2 to 3 hours. The initial heating need other fuel. The fuel could be wood, coal, pyrolysis oil. The pyrolysis oil itself is a very good fuel for preheating. And also, you could use natural gas. In the middle of the pyrolysis, there will be syngas. The syngas could be recycled to use for heating. But the furnace structure of different fuel is different. When you place order, you should tell us which type of fuel you will use. For example, if you use wood or coal, the foundation is the furnace is the same. But for gas and for pyrolysis oil, the furnace is different. This reactor is ready. This is already welded. This one is 10-ton capacity. This is the insulation cover. Insulation cover is before put inside the fire cement. Can you see inside? There are a lot of hooks on the wall. There are a lot of hooks on the wall. Because firstly we build the structure just like make a building, and then put the steel sheet outside. After that, we will make lot of hooks on the shell. The function of the hook is used to handle the fire, the fire materials, the city materials, used to catch it, the fiber. Because if without this hook, the fiber is very easy fall down with the cement. Let the hooks catch it. After that, we make like a steel net on the surface. After that, we put the fire cement. So this insulation cover will be very strong. Volume of the equipment. We have different capacity of the equipment. The very common one is 10 ton, 12 ton, 15 tons. This is for batch type. For continuous machine, we have 15 tons, 12 tons, 30 tons, 40 and 50 tons. We also have small testing machine. The small testing machine have 100 kilogram and 500 kilogram. This is screw conveyor. Screw conveyors are making here. This is screw conveyors. This one is the frame I was talking about. It's for reactor, the reactor frame. The whole reactor with the feeding barriers and also with the gearbox, all will be put on the same frame. But this one is for continuous machine. That one is continuous machine insulation cover. This is only half of it, because the continuous machine total length about 26 meters. So we need to make two reactors join together. This tank, this is the oil tank. So today we are very lucky. We are seeing this is after welding. The workers now is making the liquid testing. They're making liquid testing to make gas inside and keep the gas inside and to test how much time it can contain the gas. In this way, we could see if there is any leakage on the welding. All the machines, the tanks, will be tested before delivery. Welcome new clients. Welcome Bernard. Now we are going on is the delivery of oil sludge pyrolysis machine. Just now we have seen 6 reactors delivery on site. Now we are inside our workshop. And we have seen our batch type of pyrolysis reactor structure. And now we arrive to a continuous machine manufacture area. The continuous machine is made of actually it's 2 reactors joined together. Total length is 26 meters. This is the furnace. The furnace and the insulation cover of continuous machine. This one is different with batch type because you can see inside the fire, that is a fire break. Osman, welcome, Osman. Where is the manufacturing plant is located? Our location is China, Henan Province, Zhengzhou City. We are in Henan Province. And if you have any plan to visit our factory, you can leave us a message or leave your contact number. We will send to you our detailed address. Also, you could arrive to Zhengzhou Airport, and we can pick up from airport. We are very near to airport and near to train station. You just call to us, we can pick up. Sabir, welcome, Mr. Sabir. Now you are in our live showroom, Mr. Henan Doing Company. It's for with the tire, with the plastic, and all this one, the pyrolysis machine. Now you are seeing is the continuous machine insulation cover. You can see continuous machine is different with batch type machine. Batch machine is with or the fire cement inside, but the continuous machine inside is fire brick. But between fire brick and this steel, there is also fire fibers and also fire cement. But this continuous machine, it needs continuously working for more than 1 month. So this insulation cover is also very important, especially the thickness. The thickness of this insulation cover is 3 times of batch type machine, more than 3 times. The thickness of this insulation cover is 35 centimeters. So even after 1 month continuously heating, outside of this steel is not hot. All the energy, all the temperature is used to heat the reactor itself. This could save energy. And you can see the seams between the brick is very, very thin, about 1 or 2 millimeter. Because fire cement and fire brick, it can prevent the hot air comes outside. But the seam, it will not make it good. The high temperature will come out from the seam. So in this machine, between the bricks, the seam of the bricks, we are using high temperature glue. This can make the insulation cover just like a whole body to prevent the high temperature go outside. So our machine can run with only syngas after 8 hours preheating. After 8 hours preheating, then the following 1 month, no need other energy. Welcome, Mr. This is Cheng Sheng. Welcome, new client. Ahmed, welcome, Mr. Ahmed. If you have any questions about pyrolysis, about the machine manufacture or about the machine running, you can talk to me here. Total cycle time, 8-hour heating. I think this is the difference. 8-hour preheating, that is for continuous machine. Continuous machine, just the beginning is 8 hours preheating. And then 1 month, no stop, just the heating by syngas. For the batch type, you need to stop. Every day you need to stop. The heating time is about 10 to 12 hours. Other time is feeding and slagging and cooling. So continuous machine and batch type machine is different.
几点了？ Okay, customers, if you have any questions, you can leave a message here. We can talk in our lecture room, or you could leave your contact information to us. We will contact you for more information. Now it's almost 1 hour. I will introduce you to see again about the delivery. We will see again about the delivery outside. Some new clients haven't seen our delivery of the machine. That is today our topic. Okay, help me. If you have any question, you can send me message. We could discuss for more details. Thank you for your attention. And now outside you can see 6 reactors delivery. When delivery, firstly we load reactor to the truck. And if we will deliver outside of China, we need to load into the container. This reactor needs an open container. And we will send you pictures how to load it. And we also have our shipping agent can help you to do the delivery. This reactor is 15 tons. 15 tons reactor. But in our reactor, we made with a lot of materials. So it's very heavy. One reactor about 34 tons. So one truck can load only one reactor. This one is delivered to China customer factory. Totally, they bought 8 sets. Today we deliver 6 sets. Here have 1, 2, 3, 4. And the other 2 is already outside on the road. So today totally 6 sets delivered together. And in the future, I like to go to customer factory after installation. Please follow Bonnie and I will introduce you more on site. Mr. Karan from YouTube, can you leave your contact number to us? You leave your contact number, then we will talk more details. Because today time is limited, so we cannot introduce more details about the machine running. You could leave a message, leave your contact number, and we will talk to you. Our sales manager contact you for more detail, especially answer your questions. Mr. Karan from YouTube. Okay, now it's already 1 hour. Time is very fast. So the new client, if you have any question, you could leave a message. We could see again. And every week we have 2 live show. Every week, twice live show. You can follow us. And if you have any question, you can follow us. And every week we will have broadcast. And we can show to you all the details of our manufacturing. And sometime in the future, we will go to a customer running machine factory to make live show. Welcome your attention. Now at last, I will introduce again about our business scope. In our factory, we have with the tire and with the plastic pyrolysis machine, oil sludge pyrolysis machine, with the oil distillation machine, also bitumen, oil sand, all types of materials, including oil, we could deal it. So if you have any interest about the different materials, pyrolysis,
you can leave us a message. We already have 13 years in this field, and we have rich experience to process different types of materials. And the machines, we have the engineer team. Our machine is improving. It's always improving. Every time we will have a new point of the machine. So please follow us. 可以了吗？
还有一分钟，持一个20秒就行了。阿拉伯。
对，阿拉伯、埃及、共和国。
他是我的客户。
哦。
Mr. Karen, you haven't leave a message. You leave your contact number. We will answer all of your questions face to face. Okay, all of my friends, thank you for your attention. I hope to see you next time. And next time, if I will go to customer factory to see the running machine, I will send you a message in advance. So please make attention to us and follow us. Thank you. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.